Hello, everyone, and welcome. Dawn Polly here. I'm so glad you could join me. I want to wish everyone a happy Easter if you're celebrating Easter today. I wanted to share this last Easter card with you that I made. I'm using the Whimsy Stamps Easter Bunny stamp set. This stamp is absolutely adorable. I love it. You get 5 images and 4 sentiments. You can purchase the matching dies with it if you like. I didn't use the dies today, but I wanted to show you that they are available if you wanted them. I'm also going to be using the NoFuss instant masking paper for the bunnies that I'm using. These masks are great to mask any of these images with if you didn't want to die cut the bunnies out. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is stamp my image with a black Copic friendly ink, and I'm going to center my image as best I can in the middle of the paper. It's okay if it's not centered completely because I'll be trimming it down later and then I can center it then. Next, I'm going to take out my No Fuss masking paper. I just love these. They are a game changer for me. No more buying separate masking paper and die cutting the image out. All you have to do is peel off the image that you want and place it over the image on your paper. It's that simple. You do get 4 sheets of them and they are reusable, which is awesome. Now I'm going to ink blend a blue background around the bunny. I'm using my Distress Oxide ink. This one is Tumbled Glass. It's my favorite color to ink blend with and to make sky backgrounds or any kind of blue background really. And I'm just basically putting very little on my brush. In fact, I'm pushing most of the ink off onto my scrap paper because I want the background to be very, very light. When I'm done, I very gently peel off the masking paper from the image and place it back on the sheet of paper it came on, and that's it. It's that simple. I'm going to quickly color my bunny in with my Copic markers. I'm not going to be doing anything special for the coloring, so I'm just going to basically tell you what colors that I used and where. I used C3 Cool Gray for around the edge of the bunny, and then I colored him in with the C1, and then I used the R11 Pale Cherry for the bunny's ears and his little nose, and then I used my black Jelly Roll pen to put lines on the Easter egg that the bunny was holding. And then I colored the Easter eggs with G43 Pistachio, BV01 Viola, and R83 Rose Mist. I originally was going to make a clean and simple card, but then I decided I needed some kind of frame around this little bunny, and I thought this one would be perfect. This is the Loopdidoos 2 die set, and I love how unique it is. You can do so much with it. I die cut 3 of them from some white cardstock, and I'm layering them on top of each other for dimension. And then I adhere the frame on top of my card front, making sure it's centered around the bunny. It's okay if the bunny is off centered because I'm going to trim it down to 3 7/8 by 5 1/4 inches, and then that will center it. I adhere craft foam to the back of the card front, and then I'm going to adhere the entire card front to an A2 size card base. Next, I'm going to stamp the sentiment for my favorite Some Bun, which came with the stamp set. And to finish off the card, I'm using my This Calls for Confetti pink pearls to accent my card with. I'm using this awesome lift and release tool, which has a wax end, and it makes it very easy to pick the pearls up with. And that's going to complete my card for today. I think this card came out super cute and makes a fun Easter card. These little bunnies are just so adorable. I hope you enjoyed my card today. I want to thank you for joining me on the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. I would love for you to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of the card. Be sure to subscribe to the Whimsy Stamps channel and their other social media platform so you don't miss out on any upcoming releases and great inspirational videos. Also, check out their website for all their new releases. And as always, I want to thank you for spending your time with me, and I hope you have yourself a wonderful day.